Okay, let's go ahead and solve homework exercise number 21. We got the cost of carpet rectangular floor measuring 12 feet by 30 feet, and the carpet costs $18.44 per square yard. Notice the dimensions are given in feet and the cost is per square yard, so we're going to have to convert. So if we draw a picture of our rectangular floor, we have 12 feet by 30 feet, right? Let's go ahead and convert each of these length and the width and the length into yards, and then we can multiply and get our answer in square yards and multiply by 1844, the cost per square yard. Now remember, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, right? So 12 feet, we want to get yards in the numerator, 3 feet in the denominator. So 12, the 3's in the denominator, so we're going to get 4 divided by 3, so we get 4 yards for the width. And the same idea for the 30 feet. 30 feet, 1 yard for every 3 feet. So divide, because 3's in the denominator, so we're going to get 10 yards, okay? So this side is 10 yards. Now, we need the area, right? The area of a rectangle is length times width. In terms of yards, it's 4 by 10, which we know is 40 square yards, okay? So the total area is 40 square yards, and then we're going to go ahead and take the number of square yards multiplied by the cost per square yard, $18.44, and that will give us our total cost, and we can do that on our calculator. So the total area in yards, square yards, 40 square yards, times the cost per square yard, $18.44. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that on our calculator, the last step. 40 times $18.44 per square yard gives us a total cost of $737.60. Very good. Number 22. A rectangular kitchen floor measures 19 by 20. So we've got 19 by 20 feet. A stove on the floor has a rectangular base measuring 3 by 4. So the stove is 3 by 4, and a refrigerator is 4 by 5. How many square feet of tile will be needed to cover the kitchen floor, not counting the area by the stove and the refrigerator? So what you have to do is you have to find areas and then go ahead and take this total area and go ahead and subtract the stove and the fridge, right? So again, working with areas first before you subtract. The area of the kitchen altogether, 19 times 20, if we do it on our calculator, is 380 square feet, okay? So that's total area of the kitchen. However, we don't have to tile where the stove is. The stove is 3 by 4. So the stove, area of stove is 3 times 4, which is 12 square feet. And we don't have to do the area for the refrigerator, 4 by 5. So the area of the fridge is 4 times 5, which is 20 square feet. So we're going to take the total 380 minus the stove 12 minus the fridge 20, and we're going to get, we can do that on our calculator if you want, just to make sure, 380, the total area minus the 12 of the square feet for the stove and the 20 for the fridge. So again, we'll do it on our calculator. 380, the area of the kitchen minus the area of the stove, 12, minus the area of the refrigerator, 20, and we get a total of 348, and they have the units there, right? Square feet, so all you have to do is put in your value, 348 square feet, and that is indeed the correct answer. Okay, we're going to stop this session here at number 22. If you have any questions, send me an email at tsquares@hodges.edu or call me at 239-938-7805. Thank you.